Looking for electrician tools that actually make a difference? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing some of the newest and most innovative tools on Amazon that can speed up your workflow and improve precision. If you love discovering practical gear, consider subscribing for more weekly tool finds. Vivore Demolition Jackhammer. If you've ever tried breaking concrete with a light-duty tool, you know how quickly the job can become frustrating. The Vivore 1400-watt Demolition Jackhammer is built to tackle demanding tasks with up to 2,900 blows per minute and 19 joules of impact energy, helping remove concrete, brick, and tile more efficiently. A shock-absorbing, 360-degree rotating handle improves comfort during extended use, while the included flat and pointed chisels make it ready for a variety of renovation and construction projects. It's a practical option for contractors and serious DIYers at approximately $75. Milwaukee Fuel Hackzall. Working in tight spaces or overhead can make a full-size reciprocating saw feel bulky and difficult to control. That's where the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hacksaw stands out, offering a compact, one-handed design without sacrificing cutting performance. Its power-state brushless motor, 7/8" stroke, and up to 3,000 strokes per minute help slice through wood, PVC, and metal efficiently, while the pivoting shoe reduces vibration for smoother cuts. It's especially useful for plumbers, electricians, and remodelers, with a typical price of around $170. FLEXVOLT right angle drill. Drilling large holes between studs or joists can be awkward, especially when space is limited and kickback becomes a concern. The DeWalt FLEXVOLT 60-volt max right angle drill is designed for those demanding jobs. Pairing cordless mobility with a 2-speed gearbox that reaches up to 1,320 RPM, its anti-rotation E-clutch helps stop the tool during bind-ups, while the quick change 7/16" hex chuck speeds up bit swaps. Ideal for electricians, plumbers, and framers, it typically sells for around $470. "19-needle fine grinding drill." Manually removing rust, old coatings, or welding slag can be slow, messy, and labor-intensive. The CS Unitech 2 BPG 19-needle fine grinding drill is designed to speed up surface preparation with 19 durable steel needles, delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute for efficient material removal. The lightweight pistol grip handle design improves control, while the pneumatic system operates with relatively low air consumption, making it compatible with many workshop air compressors. It's well suited for fabrication, maintenance, and restoration work, and sells for around $213. NEU Master Nail Gun Cordless. If you've ever tried finishing trim work or upholstery with a hammer and felt like it slows everything down, this cordless 2-in-1 nail gun from NEU Master is built to streamline that process. It switches between 18-gauge brad nails and narrow crown staples, handling sizes from 3/8 inch up to 1 1/4 inches. Powered by a 20-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, it can drive up to around 2,000 nails per charge. The built-in LED helps in dim areas, while the contact safety system prevents accidental firing. Ideal for DIY builders and light woodworking, usually priced around $100 to $150. Cordless rivet gun compatible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've ever installed rivets by hand, you know how quickly it turns into a slow, tiring job with inconsistent results. This cordless rivet gun is designed to automate that process, using a brushless motor delivering 2,248 pounds force of pulling force with a 0.79-inch stroke. For steady, repeatable fastening, it runs on DeWalt 20-volt and 60-volt batteries, handling aluminum and stainless rivets from 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch, with quick change tips and auto reverse for spent mandrels. An LED light helps in tight spaces. Ideal for metalwork, HVAC, and automotive projects. Around $52. Laser level self-leveling. Anyone who's ever tried leveling floors, ceilings, or tiling knows one thing for sure. In a large space, it's easy for things to be off-center and uneven. This 360-degree 4D laser level is designed to simplify that process with its ability to cover an entire room with 4 laser planes, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, with a bright 520 nanometer green beam for better visibility. It self-levels within plus or minus 4 degrees and can be locked in manual mode for angle adjustment. A rubberized housing provides impact resistance on the job site, while 2 7.4-volt 2,600 mAh batteries provide extended runtime. You also get a magnetic mount for flexible installation and a pulse mode that extends the range up to 197 feet, approximately 90 meters. With the receiver, ideal for flooring, framing, and ceiling installation, it sells for around $142. Drywall Sander. Sanding drywall or scraping rough ceilings? You know how quickly that can turn into a messy battlefield and cause backaches and knee pain. This electric sander solves that problem with its 1,000-watt motor and variable speed control from 800 to 2,200 RPM. Allowing you to adjust the power to suit the surface. The integrated dust extraction system collects up to 98.5% of dust, keeping your workspace significantly cleaner, while the 360-degree LED light ring helps you see clearly in hard-to-reach corners. The extension rod reaches from 1.4 to 2.7 meters, ideal for both walls and ceilings. Price around $93. Collomix XQ Paddle Mixer. For anyone who's mixed mortar, grout, or self-leveling compounds by hand, getting a smooth, consistent blend can be frustrating and time-consuming. The Collomix XQ4 simplifies that process with a digital control system featuring preset speeds of 400, 550, and 700 RPM, plus a built-in timer and cruise control to maintain steady mixing without constant trigger pressure. Powered by a 1,400-watt motor and designed to handle batches up to 3 50-pound bags, it's well suited for contractors and serious remodelers who value precision and repeatable results. Expect to pay around $678. Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. For many home improvement projects, brushes and rollers can leave you spending more time painting than finishing. The Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus speeds things up by spraying directly from 1-gallon or 5-gallon buckets through a flexible suction tube, eliminating constant refills. Its fully adjustable pressure control lets you apply unthinned paint or stain with precision, while support for hoses up to 50 feet makes it easier to reach tall walls and second-story areas. It's a practical choice for DIY renovators tackling projects up to 5 gallons, with a typical price of around $237. Dustless Technologies Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Construction sites rarely stay clean for extended periods, and switching between liquid spills and fine construction dust can slow things down. The Dustless Technologies D1603 is designed to handle both without filter changes, making cleanup faster and less disruptive. Its large container holds up to 40 pounds of dirt, while the external filter cleaning bar helps maintain suction with minimal downtime. Reinforced construction and upgraded rubber wheels make it a practical choice for contractors, home repairers, and demanding workshop environments. Price: approximately $408. DeWalt ToughSeries Construction Jack. Moving heavy cabinets, doors, or drywall can be difficult and strenuous. The DeWalt ToughSeries Jack is designed to solve that problem with its foot-operated, hands-free lifting mechanism, allowing you to lift materials with your foot while keeping both hands free for alignment. With a lifting capacity of up to 340 pounds, precise lowering controls for easy adjustment, and a slim base that can fit into tight spaces, it's a great tool for framing, repairs, flooring, and installation work. The product is priced at approximately $105.